All right, jumping into this Justia AI writer review. A couple of weeks ago, I found out that Justia has launched their own AI writing integration in their CMS content management system. So their system is called Justia Elevate. I was able to get my hands on one, and I thought it'd be interesting to take Justia AI writer for a spin. Justia Elevate itself is built within WordPress, so it's like a WordPress reskinned content management system that they use to publish content for their clients, and also uh, clients can do it themselves. And what's interesting is now with this integrated AI tool, the question I'm asking is this content being generated for with clients by themselves, or Justia's team is writing these for on behalf of the clients? So let's dive in. I did one test here before. It's interesting. You can come back here and preview it. But I thought it'd be interesting just to go through the whole user experience and generate a new one. So let's do personal injury. Let's do. Then you have to choose a specific topic you want to generate content about. Oh, interesting. So I did car accidents already. So I can do another car accident page. And this part is a little bit clunky for me because now I can't really create additional type of content. It's only based on whatever they have already preset for me. Let's say if I want to write some supporting content for my car accident page, how can I do that with the Justia writer? Right now, I'm not quite sure if that's even an option. So this is good. Looks like it's good for practice area pages. So let's continue with Miami, Florida. Here we get all the subheadings. Here's additional content. Okay, and this is interesting. This little disclaimer here. I will only use the pages on my Justia Elevate website and will review these pages for legal accuracy and make appropriate edits and corrections. Review your information carefully. So that's why they're adding this disclaimer to make sure that people are not just blatantly publishing the AI content. And as we know, the AI content could be a little bit incorrect factually or use odd grammar. So it's important that it is being reviewed. So let's see what we can do here. So we're going to generate this content now. All right, let's do it. The first time when I did this, it took a couple of minutes. So if it generates again a little longer than expected, I'm just going to pause the video and then we'll come back to it. Yeah. All right. It's generating the page. Yeah. Really interesting that it with the writer, I can really create supporting content. So that's interesting. So it's really great for practice area pages. I can imagine rolling out a whole practice area structure probably within a couple hours, maybe even less, depending how much editing you're actually doing. And what's neat is that it is integrated into WordPress already, so you can just launch it right away. But also other AI writers offer that as a feature too, instead of this, nice little already structured Justia CMS. You have your own CMS, and then your webmaster is the one, or editor is the one that's handling that. All right, I'm going to pause the video. Looks like it's loading a little bit longer than expected. All right, we're back, and the page is created. So let's break it down. We have Miami motorcycle accident lawyer. Okay, cool. Warning: AI generated page below has been written. Oh, you must check and edit AI generated for legal and factual accuracy. Okay. Second disclaimer, we get this. Third, that's funny. I love it. They really want you to review this content. Okay. So we got the first heading: types of motorcycle accidents, causes of motorcycle accidents, what to do after motorcycle accident. That's nice. Whom to sue. Okay. Our Miami-based firm. I'd like this to be a little bit more related to the respective area. some specifics of Miami, highway mentions, most common intersections where this happens, looking a little bit further into this. Also, not that much. Okay, here's some laws on Florida, comparative negligence. In Florida, specific application. Okay, a little bit about Florida, but I'd like to see a little bit more details on actual Florida state laws for motorcycle car accidents. Um, so this is what you get. Is it better or worse than other AI writers? I'd say relatively on the same level. I will export this content and add it in the video so you can read it yourself and see what you think about it. Um, what I liked a lot is this. So, area of law, personal injury, personal injury. So, if I want to create a new page within personal injury, I'm not going to be able to rewrite the ones I already created. So, that's nice. It gives you the core personal injury practice area pages you should have. But if I want to go a lot deeper, I'm not able to add my own topics. I can only use the topics that are here. So if I'm using this for personal injury, this is all I'm going to get. Okay. And that's great. But I think it's very fundamental level application in this case, where you will need a lot more content than these options to rank highly in super competitive areas. You'll need to write blog articles. You'll need to write supporting content for the car accident pages. I mean, product liability. Well, what about writing about the product itself? So I think this is, I'm sure this is version 1, just to spin off the practice area pages. I think this is great. But would I migrate my entire website to Justia just to use this? I don't think I would. There's a lot of other AI writing tools that can replicate this process, and even in more advanced level. And we'll do some videos on that as well. So that's there you go. That's the Justia AI Writer review. Only last part left is setting up the content itself in a Google Doc, which I will do. This way, you guys can check it out as well. Appreciate it. Bye.